Hey everyone, I'm Heinz, a Forex EA trader and YouTuber, and welcome to my channel. And in today's video, we'll be looking at my best performing expert advisor for 2025. Now, as an algo trader, I link all of my accounts to Myfxbook, and at the moment, the one that is outperforming the others is my SIC Forex Gold Scalping EA account. Now in today's video, we'll look at what robots I'm running on that account, as well as look at a breakdown of its performance and share the settings I've been using. But before moving forward, if you find the information helpful, please drop the video a like, also subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive updates of future videos. Now, the SIC Forex Gold Scalping EA account is a verified account where you can track the record and view the trading privileges. And so far, it has a total weighted return or gain of 247% with 82, with a maximum drawdown of 53.53%, or in other words, a total net profit of over $2,000. Now, on this account, I've used multiple EAs, but the one that's been outperforming the rest is none other than Blitz Gold EA. And to see its individual performance running on the account, we're going to head over to our custom analysis and take a look at its specific magic number, which is magic number 1945. Now, magic number 1945 has been running on this account since January of 2025, and it has a total weighted return of over 300%, with a maximum drawdown of 37.97 and an absolute gain of 221%, which means we have a monthly return of over 17%. Now, for this EA, I've been running it specifically on the recommended pair, which is XAUUSD or spot gold, since the 15th of January 2025. And because each trade has a stop loss and take profit, you'll notice that there are some periods of drawdown, but overall the EA is able to recover and has given a very nice return so far in 2025. If we look at the specific monthly analysis, you'll see there are peak months where it generated over 50% return. Specifically in February, June, and September were very good months, but because it has a stop loss and take profit for each trade, there are also negative and break-even months. So now that we've seen that the robot does have good and bad months, let's take a look at some of the advanced statistics for the EA. So far this year, it's placed 198 trades with a win rate of 51%. And what we'll see is that the average win of $86.78 is larger than the average loss of $65.99, meaning it has a positive risk to reward ratio and a profit factor of 1.34. Now, this expert advisor has an average trade length of 1 day, putting it in the medium-term category of holding those trades for almost a day. Overall, it has won more long trades at 56% and has less won short trades of only 43% because of the current dynamics of gold. Now, if we head over to the FPS Real account, I'm going to take you through exactly how this expert advisor enters its trade and why I consider it to be so profitable. Now, the expert advisor is built where it has multiple different entry criteria that you can customize and select according to your own preferences. However, I'll also share my set file. Now, the entry indicators that I've been using is the stochastic combined with a Vega multi-timeframe trend indicator, and it also uses an envelope exit as an exit indicator. Now, each trade has a stop loss and take profit, with the stop loss at 2,360 and the take profit at 3,410. But importantly, this setup is for a 2-digit broker. As we'll see on the right hand side, that gold is quoted with only 2 digits. Now, if we take a look at the specific criteria for the Vega multi-timeframe trend indicator, it combines the hourly with the 2-hour and the 20-minute. On top of the Vega, it also combines a stochastic indicator with a K period of 4 and a D period of 16 with a slowing of 9. Now on top of this, it also uses a single exit indicator as an additional measure, which is our envelope bands that are running in the background. You'll see that the EA also provides us with the opportunity to see the indicator that it used, which is enabled for this setup. So the exit indicator that I've selected is the envelope bands, which you'll see running on the background of the chart. And these are set to a period of 23 with a deviation of 0.72. I have some additional filters enabled, so the entry time filter is from 2 a.m. in the morning until 8 p.m. at night for GMT plus free. So it's important if you use a broker with a different time that you adjust these according to your time zone. Now, one of the amazing things about this indicator, it does have the options to have additional protections, including daily and account protection, but at the moment I'm only running the maximum spread, which is set at 89. Now, if you were to use this indicator in a prop trading environment, I recommend that you also take a look at your daily protections and account protection settings. Now, as this robot has been performing so well on this FBS Live account, I've also decided to move it to my Darwinex Zero live account. And on this account, I'm using exactly the same settings with just some minor configurations or tweaks for the prop trading environment. Now, in the last 30 days, it has placed 9 trades and has delivered a total return of over $900. And if we look at the settings that I'm using on Darwinex Live, you'll see that I've increased the lot sizing from 0.03 to 0.05. However, I'm still using exactly the same entry indicators, exactly the same exit indicators, as well as the same stop loss and take profit. Now, the only other adjustment that I made for Darwinex is adjusting the spread filter. However, you'll need to adjust that for each broker that you are using. So now that we've looked at how this fantastic EA has been performing so far in 2025, let me show you where I purchased this bot. Now, I purchased Gold Blitz EA on the MQL5 marketplace, and it's important to say I don't have any association with Eddie, the developer, but I'm really happy with the purchase. So far, it has a very low rating of 2.5. However, we've seen from the trading results that it has done really well. Now, one thing to take into consideration is that past performance does not guarantee future resilience. So it's important that you test the expert advisor in any trading environment that you want to use it, and make sure to continually adjust the settings according to your own risk profile and requirements. Now, the expert advisor is also available for rent, so make sure to take a look if this one is the one that you want to add to your portfolio of trading robots. Now, if there's any other expert advisors on the MQL5 marketplace that you'd like me to feature on the channel, make sure to let me know in the comments down below. Or if you think you found a Gold EA that can outperform Blitz Gold EA, also let me know in the comments down below. And with all of that said, guys, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Make sure to drop the video a like, also subscribe for future content. Until next time, happy trading. Bye.